How to export contacts to Yahoo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on All Contacts. You can view all your contacts over here. Choose the contact you want to export and tap on it. Here, scroll down and select Share Contact from the options. Then, tap on Select All fields below. After that, tap on the tick icon at the top right. You can now view all the sharing options available. Swipe left and tap on More as shown. Scroll down to the end and select Yahoo Mail. Here, tap on Continue. You can now send this contact to your friends through Yahoo Mail. Following these steps, you can easily export contacts to Yahoo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.